honey. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, this is my outfit of the day. Don't know what hair this is. Just something kinky, curly. And I got my own hair brushed back and headband on to cover that weft thingy. I don't know where this top came from. I think I bought it when I was in LA a few years ago from probably Nordstrom Rack. And regular jeans, because it's cold outside and the denim is a little bit heavier than the leggings that I usually wear. So, let me get my pose on. And my goddaughter, Mimi 42, she requested that when I do my pose to stand back. So I don't know if my head is cut off or not. So, I'm standing back. I see my whole head when I get up closer. Let me see. Now. That's more than she bargained for, huh? Okay, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, subscribe to my channel. And you all have a blessed rest of the day. Getting ready to get out of here and pick up Walter. He got to see his hand doctor today, so after he finishes his treatment, he's going to be dropped off there. So I'll pick him up. And I don't know if y'all see them boxes in the background. My Instant Pot finally came. Just got a 3-quart Instant Pot. Because I have an 8-quart and a Cicero 6-quart pressure cooker. I needed something smaller because it's just me and Walter. And when I cook in one of them big pressure cookers, I usually cook a whole lot. And Walter gets so sick of eating leftovers. Because after the second day, I don't want no more. I'm just used to cooking a large amount of food. So in the 3-quart mini Instant Pot Duo, I won't be tempted to cook so much. And I use my pressure cooker more often. Okay. I was closing out, right? Y'all be blessed. Okay. Bye. Just showing y'all some cookies I got baking in my Cicero air fryer oven. So, I set it for 12 minutes, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I put it on the bake setting. Where is it? Function. That's what it's looking like. So I'll probably stick this clip in one of my videos, probably at the end. Okay, that's all I want to show you. Look at that goodness, y'all. Okay.